Hey guys, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus will be the best Plus model Samsung made ever, and the good thing is the Geekbench score for the Galaxy S24 Plus Exynos 2400 is going to be blow your mind. This is because in the benchmark score the Galaxy S24 Plus Exynos outperforms the Galaxy S24 Ultra Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. The phone has been recently been put to the test by Geekbench and the result are very much good what we expected. The Galaxy S24 Plus was able to pass the Geekbench test over a multi-core almost the Galaxy S24 Ultra. You can see that the Galaxy S24 Ultra has a single core 2234 and the multi-core score is 6807. Well, the Galaxy S24 Plus has a single core 2067 and a multi-core of a 6520. So that is pretty much similar. By the way, this is just for first Geekbench test and there are other many tests are coming very soon. Then we will know the final result when the Galaxy S24 series hit the market. Moving on, few days back we got to know that the Galaxy S24 will have a 1.5mm bezel compared to the iPhone 15 Pro 1.7mm, making it Samsung's most minimum flagship ever. And now confirm that IC Universe share a post showing the protection panel of the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus, and looking at the image and it's clear. Plus the camera ring size of the Galaxy S24 Plus is slightly bigger than the Galaxy S23 Plus. The Galaxy S24 series is likely to be released early than expected. Yes, the Galaxy S24 series, Samsung's successor to the Galaxy S series, to expect its release in January 18, 2024. So that's all about our video. If you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.